Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone ready. Ensure your iPhone 16 runs iOS 18 or later and has a stable internet connection. This matters because Apple Intelligence downloads models and syncs preferences. Once done, sign into your Apple ID so personalized features can activate and enable location, Siri, and background app refresh to allow real-time suggestions. Now open Settings and go straight to the Apple Intelligence pane. We'll enable core toggles and grant permissions in the next step to kick off setup. Once in Apple Intelligence settings, enable the main features you want: summaries, intelligent suggestions, and writing assistance, so the system can learn from your data. Make sure to grant access to contacts, photos, mail, and messages where you want personalization. This is why recommendations feel relevant. Then customize preferences like writing tone, summary length, and allowed apps. These choices change how the model prioritizes content. Finally, let the phone sit on Wi-Fi for a short sync, so initial personalization completes. Now verify functionality by asking Apple Intelligence to summarize an email, draft a message, or suggest photos. You'll see suggestions inline and in the share sheet. If features don't appear after a few minutes, restart your iPhone to finalize service activation, because background processes sometimes need a reboot. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or go to Settings Apple Intelligence and reset the intelligence data. This forces a fresh sync and often resolves permission or model download issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.